Hello, Namaste. I'm Dr. Amit here. Welcome to my YouTube channel at the rate Dr. Amit Official. So today we are going to start our very first lecture from the CVS Cardiovascular System series. So we'll begin with the development of pericardium. By the end of this lecture, you will clearly understand the important concept like lateral plate mesoderm, somatopleuric mesoderm, splanchnopleutic mesoderm, intraembryonic coelom, then pleuropericardial fold, and how the pericardium formed step by step. So let's start our lecture, and don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel at the rate Dr. Amit Official. So let's start our today lecture, development of pericardium. So before starting my lecture, I want to show you some pictures. Okay, so in the embryonic stage, okay, we have ectoderm, mesoderm, and endoderm. This is neural groove. Okay, this is notochord. Okay, and this is lateral plate mesoderm. Okay, we'll talk in detail about this. Okay, remember this picture. Okay, lateral plate mesoderm. Actually, this lateral plate mesoderm splits. Okay, splits into two layer, that is somatopleuric mesoderm, and the second one is splanchnopleutic mesoderm. Okay, so remember this lateral plate mesoderm. That lateral plate mesoderm will split. I've told you that lateral plate mesoderm is split into two layers. That is, one is somatopleuric and one is splanchnopleutic mesoderm. Okay, and between these two layers, okay, we have a coelom, okay, that is called an intraembryonic coelom. Okay, this is the part. Okay, and this intraembryonic coelom will form the pericardial cavity, the cavity where pericardial fluid exists in our heart. Okay, so remember this picture also. Okay, this two layer, how it forms from splitting that lateral plate mesoderm. Then we will see in the lecture that how these layers, okay, how this pericardial cavity where the pericardial fluid exists, how this fibrous pericardial form, okay, how this parietal layer of serous pericardium form, how this epicardial layer formed, okay, how this endocardium and myocardium form. Okay, we'll talk about how these layers formed in the development of pericardium. That's the same picture like before. Okay, this is a pericardial cavity where the pericardial fluid exists, and if the fluid increases over here, okay, in case of cardiac tamponade, we also correlate clinically. Okay, the outer part, this layer is parietal serous pericardium. This is the inner part, okay, visceral serous pericardium. Okay, now same the serous pericardium, and this is our heart. Okay, so we have the cut sections over here. Okay, how this formed. Okay, so let's start our today lecture. So now let's start our lecture from the beginning. Okay, so in the early embryo, I have shown you the picture that lateral plate mesoderm. Okay, that lateral plate mesoderm actually split and form two layers, that is somatopleuric mesoderm and splanchnopleutic mesoderm. This somatopleuric mesoderm, okay, this somatopleuric mesoderm, this will be near the body wall, and this will be